Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to enable disable keyboard or sound on Samsung Galaxy A06. First of all, open the setting apps, scroll down and select option sounds and vibration. From here you can see option system sound, click on. From here you can see option keyboard. So you can see that keyboard sound is enabled. So we checked. So we open this app. So we search any random key. So you can see that system sound is on. So we again open settings and tap it. So you can see that keyboard sound is off. So we again checked. Open this app. We search any key. So you can see that there is no keyboard sound. By applying this method, you can easily enable disable keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy A06. Hope so you like this video. Thanks for watching.